Good morning. My name is Kobus. Yes, I'm from South Africa. I've been trading for approximately 12 years that I've been trading. Before enrolling in Greg's program, I had my own vision of how to trade and did a few courses, tried to manage and do it on my own. But I was not able to fix the problems. Tried many things, tried different strategies, threw more money at it, everything that I could possibly do. But yes, all of that basically failed. I ended up probably losing at least about $20,000 that I've pumped into it and tried to make it work, but without any success. Was I skeptical? Well, yes, I think the results that I saw that Greg and his team had, it just didn't seem real. But yeah, hence I've eventually decided to take the leap of faith and start with the program. And now I've finally completed stage 2. Excuse me. About Greg, man, it's just, I have to say the support that he gives us, the way that he encourages us, he helps us. He's never scared to help you, to answer questions, no matter what time of day. If he's awake, he will answer, and he always tries and helps wherever he can. My results for stage 2 was at the end quite staggering. I doubled my account, made just over 100% profit, and that was within a couple of days. And I had 0 wrong trades in the strategy that I followed. So that in itself spoke for itself, and I couldn't believe it myself. But I realized that it was possible. Now, after I've completed stage 2, obviously I've done the simulation in stage 1, did the demo now in stage 2, and I can definitely say that I've now learned how to spot good entries. I think it's always been possible to see good trades, but it wasn't always that easy to spot where to enter the trade, and more so even when to exit the trade. Right now, those are a couple of the major points that I've learned and that I can apply now. On top of that, also getting my stop losses in the right place, which is something that always came back to bite me. Always make mistakes with stop losses, but now that I'm confident of where my stop losses should be, I can enter a trade, and I'm happy that if the market turns around against me and it hits my stop loss, that was the right thing, but I will still make money on those ones that I get right. For me, the favorite part about the program, it's definitely, again, the team, everybody in stage 2, still stage 1 simulation as well, but particularly now during the demo, everybody getting involved, people sharing ideas, sharing their wins and their losses, where we make mistakes, what we do right. And it's just good to have that support base to be able to encourage you. If you do something and you've got an idea and you share it with the guys, everybody is happy to give their input in a positive way, which is amazing to see. And then I think the bootcamp, the scalping course, I think it's for anyone, whether you're a beginner trader, whether you've been doing this for how many years, whether you are a successful trader. You can either start off and become a good trader if you haven't done it ever before, or you can sharpen your tools, like they say, by becoming even a better trader. So I think that is awesome. Finally, I just want to say thank you to Greg. This journey has so far been amazing, and I'm looking forward to the rest of it. Looking forward to work closely together with all the guys that's part of the camp, and especially with Greg, and getting as much input as I can and growing as a trader. And that's it from my side. Thank you very much.
If you felt a spark here and want to see how these principles can be used in your own trading, go to www.elitetradersuniversity.com/apply to book a free session with our team. We have helped hundreds of people remove the frustration and obstacles in trading to become consistent, highly profitable traders. These are proven principles that just work. Happy pipping!